Remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification.
I'm going to go down there.
Enjoying the cold floor, probably. Hello. Okay, great.
See if you want to do that. See if you get $50
Yeah.
You don't have to,
Oh, perhaps your grandpa's going to do
They
that.
kept saying, buy me my please.
Oh.
See that box thing over there.
Oh.
You can see what's in there, and you can put your list on there.
Yeah, this condenser fan went out, and I have the model number. I'm just wondering if you have that, and I need to know the price, too.
Did you call me Saturday?
Yeah. And there's the... And the freezer I got from you guys is just it's working great. It's awesome.
So Diane, let's go. I'm not sitting out here all day starting to get warm.
Well, what about the freezer?
What freezer?
Not freezer, but the refrigerator. Aren't you waiting for the refrigerator?
No, she was waiting, but
Oh,
you're home. You can get it.
all right.
You're going to keep it.
Yeah.
Hang on, I got to back up. It went in cricket. Because of the bike.
Yeah, don't hit it.
Oh, Diane, I'm staying here. Go.
Oh, all right.
You got peppers in the back seat.
I got, let's see where we get I got the...
Hand me the cowboy bag down there, please. I got stuff in it.
Oh, it did come. Good, okay. Yay.
I was wondering what happened to you guys.
No, we stopped at Hartwell Road. I ordered the part. It's going to come in tomorrow. Then Brad can fix the big refrigerator tomorrow. And Stella said she's hot. No, she's out in the car. Yeah, she said hurry up. But good. Okay, so now I can get all this. No.
Oh, it'll put stuff in.
And it's not that bad of a width either.
No,
But
maybe you can use that freezer to make your ice cube. Some
Uh,
ice cube trays, you know what I
yeah.
mean? That kind of stuff.
Yeah, because I got a little tray on top, but I've got stuff in there, but I can put that down in the main part. But Brad loved the freezer.
Yeah,
He
it's
says
nice.
that.
This is a little bit smaller than what we have, but this is really nice. It's,
There we go.
oh, you got the nice basket over here.
Yeah.
It's deeper than ours.
Yeah.
Okay. Ours is a bit longer.
Well, Dan was impressed. Dan said he could, if he went hunting, he could put three full deers in there. Yeah, see, and that tided me over for a couple days because that's still fresh. That's still hard as a rock. So yay.
Yay. What was that? Oh, I saw Brian go by. They put it up on the porch. I just walked in.
Oh, good. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, she's in the front. Yeah. Okay, great. Thanks. Okay. All right. Good. Okay. Put this here. That. I don't have to call Brad tomorrow. Yay. Put this back up here. This here like that. Okay, now, okay, so we got, let's do this. Put these over here. And this. Okay. Let's turn on this side so I can get everything here. Alright, here, turn on the light. Good. Oh, well, you know what?